Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models. The Mihiki portable washing machine, a compact 13L foldable unit ideal for delicate items, and the Elevon portable washing machine, a robust twin-tub system with an 18-pound washer and 10-pound spinner. We'll dive into their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The Miheki portable washing machine is designed for supreme portability, weighing just 3.3 pounds and folding down to only 6.1 inches in height. This makes it perfect for travel, RVs, and small apartments. In contrast, the Elevon portable washing machine, while offering greater capacity, weighs 40.79 pounds and is not designed for frequent moving, requiring dedicated floor space. When it comes to capacity, the Miheki portable washing machine can handle a maximum of 13 liters, making it suitable for small, delicate items like underwear and baby clothes. On the other hand, the Elevon portable washing machine boasts an impressive 28 pounds capacity, allowing it to wash larger loads of regular clothing, making it a better choice for families or those with more laundry. The Miheki is a fully automatic washing machine, meaning it requires minimal user interaction once the cycle is set. This is ideal for those who want a hassle-free experience. In contrast, the Elevon is a semi-automatic model, requiring users to manually transfer clothes between the washing and spinning tubs, which may not be as convenient for everyone. In conclusion, both the Miheki and Elevon portable washing machines have their unique strengths. If you're looking for portability and convenience for small loads, the Miheki is the way to go. However, if you need a machine that can handle larger laundry loads with more robust features, the Elevon is your best bet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.